Hi, Jane with JuanitasCasita, and I'm actually at my day job right now, but I just got a shipment from HSN, and it is the new Griffin Empress. Oh, it's the Griffin Empress folder dies Autoship #1. So, and previously in recorded videos that I did, well, actually I haven't posted it yet because it's well over an hour. I think it's like an hour and a half, and my husband's having issues with how long-winded I can be, so he's trying to edit those videos for me. But this is the first in the Empress Autoship, and it just arrived today, so I'm trying to get this up. I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to shoot this at work and get it up. So get it up on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So and in those videos I had said that the Anna's newer folder, new packaging, the ones that had a pull tab must be newer, and the ones that didn't were older. But this one came without, and as you can see, I had to struggle to get this open. Okay, so this is not a pull tab, so this is new. So I'm going to open this for the first time. Let's see what's in here. Get this out. Looks like an embossing folder, and it did say embossing folder and die. It looks like roses. You know, this looks very similar to one that I already own. Granted, Anna Griffin does a lot of the... Oh, there's a name on here. Hold on. The Rose Vine 3D embossing folder by Anna Griffin. And technically, I think also Cricket. I could be wrong about that. I don't know, because I know she's kind of pulling away from that. But it also comes with some dies. It comes with some dies. And this... Let me see. Trying to do this one-handed at work. It's very hard. Get it out. Oh, this one's beautiful. I do not... Well, you know what? Actually, I have one very similar to this. Very similar to this outer metal die. But this is new. Don't have this. And this little... Is this a word? I believe it says love. So this is appropriate for St. Valentine's Day coming up. And a swirl of some sort. But I have another frame very similar to this. I'm going to have to look into that. So this is the first in the auto ship, and I think that's all that came in here. Let me see if I got a cheat sheet, as she always includes, and she did include a cheat sheet. It's called Love and Roses. And this is what you can make with that when you combine it with other embellishments and sentiments and paper. You can make, this is a cheat sheet or a sample sheet of what you can do. This is what it came with. Ooh, too much glare, hold on. Using the Empress machine, your sandwiches. So this is the new die cutting machine that Anna Griffin came out with in her ivory and gold. It debuted in October of 2018. So if you were able to get that or are still thinking about getting it, I do own it. I did get it in October. I have to admit I have not used it yet. But this is really cool. This is the very first shipment, and like I said, it just came out, or I just arrived today, and it is part of the auto ship program for the Empress. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Hopefully I can craft with this soon. I know I said I would start working on my St. Valentine's Day cards, and I have not. I've just been so busy, but you know what? I need to make time, because 2019, I have craft goals in 2019, and I really need to get on that. So I just wanted to show you all the new Anna Griffin, there's so much glare here, the new Anna Griffin Love and Roses embossing folder and die set on the auto ship for the Empress. Auto ship #1, I'm going to show you that again. Auto ship #1, okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to put this up today on YouTube and all the other social media platforms. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.